Welcome back. Today is the third part of the potable water system videos in which we will talk about pipe routing preferences. I have started the method of making potable water system in Revit. I have divided the videos of potable water system in 5 parts. In the first part, I told you how to create a model and how to make a pipe type and system type in potable water system. The second video was about the pipe segment and the pipe size catalog. Today, in the third part, we will talk about pipe routing preferences. In the next fourth video, we will be able to draw a potable water system practically. And in the fifth part, we will talk about different types of pipe tags. You will also find links to all these videos in the description below. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. New friends can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Don't forget to like and share. So let's start talking about the third part regarding pipe routing preferences. Friends who have not practiced part 1 and part 2 should practice it first. These links are given in the description below. Open the model of the rest of part 2 from where we slept and winded it. While draw pipes, we need some pipe fittings in specific sizes, for example, elbow, T, cross, flange, and end cap, etc. The settings of these fittings are called routing preferences. To do this, select Type Properties by right-clicking on the pipe type and edit the routing preferences in the segments and fittings. First of all, we load a pipe segment PPRC PN20 which we made in previous video. Select PVC elbow in elbow section instead of welded. The number of pipe sizes that will be made in the pipe catalog will be appearing in this list. The first column is about to minimum size and the second column is about to maximum size. The more we set the pipe range, the more will be available in options bar. If we have made a pipe size of 50 mm in the pipe catalog and did not set it between the minimum and the maximum range, then that size will be not available in model. If we select all in minimum column, then all catalog sizes will be available and there is no need to give a maximum size. OK it and let's draw a pipe. Material appears in realistic mode, so select realistic in visual style. Now we attach an elbow to the pipe. Select pipe tool and draw a pipe. Its elbow is of different material. One thing to always remember is that material of fittings always should be same with the material of pipe. It can never happen that steel elbow, tees and cap etc. will use on plastic pipes. So now we come to the part where we will create PPRC material elbow. Select elbow and go to edit family. Whatever you do, never do it in the original family. You always have to create a new family by save as it and then edit it. Save as this elbow family and assign a name PPRC. Let's save this family somewhere in the system. Set visual style realistic for material appearance. Elbow material we can assign in the same way as we did in pipe segment, or we can also import the PPRC material what we did in the model. To do this, select the Transfer Project Standards tool in the Manage tab. Above, you have to select the file from which you want to transfer elements to this file. The checkbox selection below will select the elements category you want to import. All elements categories will be selected from Check All, and all elements categories will be deselect from Check None. We have to transfer the material, so we have to check the material checkbox. Press OK. Now select the family objects and then select Material button in Properties palette and apply PPRC material from Material browser. Use Load into Project tool to load this family into the project. Now the family is loaded in this project. We draw this pipe again. PPRC elbow has been included in this project but has not yet been included in the system. This is because it will not appear in the system unless we set it in the routing preferences. To do this, go back to the routing preferences in the pipe type and set the elbow. We try to draw the system again. Now the elbow is showing in the system, but to heal the system, we have already drawn. Select elbow and heal it with Properties Type Selector. In the same way, we will add T in the system. I select a new one at this time instead of routing preferences loaded T's so that you also understand how to load a new fitting that is not loaded in the routing preferences. Let me show you how to load it. Similarly, access the routing preferences browser through pipe type, and after selecting T, go to Load Family. Go to US metric folder for millimeter families in libraries. Since we are drawing the piping system, we need to access the pipe folder. T is a pipe fitting, so you have to select the fittings folder. Its material is close to the PVC, so select the PVC T in PVC folder and open it. After selecting it in routing preferences, click OK. Draw in a system. Now go to the Edit family and make a new family same like what we did before with elbow. After applying the material, load this family into project. This T is to be selected in routing preferences. Duplicating the rest of the fittings in the same way and adding them to the routing preferences will make your cold water supply system ready. When you done all the routing preferences settings, then you have to duplicate it in pipe type and piping system and assign a name hot water supply pipe. This is because duplicating the pipe type also copies the routing preferences. We will not have to repeat the hot water supply pipe routing settings that we have done in the cold water supply pipe. After creating the hot water system, only change the line graphics color red in type properties of piping system so that pipe looks different in system. Let's draw a hot water system. Select Pipe tool in System tab and then select Hot water pipe type through Properties Type Selector. Also select the same system in System type and draw a pipe. This way you can set the routing preferences of different types of pipe. Save this file. In the next video, we will practically draw a potable water system. So wait for my next video. Hope you understand routing preferences. Stay tuned for more educational videos. BIM Talks.